I graduated from Dominican University with my master's in nutrition science. I became a registered dietitian nutritionist, and I did work at a hospital as an inpatient and outpatient dietitian. While I was doing that, I decided to be a content creator to where I can share my nutrition knowledge with people on social media. And I was able to grow those platforms and reach hundreds and thousands of people and eventually make that my full-time job. I originally chose Dominican University for their individual supervised practice pathway, the internship for dietetic students. And once I was doing that internship, I knew I wanted to get my master's, I just wasn't sure when or where. So I looked into their master program and I was like, okay, this is it. I'm gonna choose Dominican University, and I did do it. And honestly, the experience was great for me. I learned so much. I built great relationships and connections with students, professors, the staff, and I'd highly recommend it. The nutrition tips I share on social media are all evidence-based, and it's really nice because it differentiates you from other influencers like the fitness influencers with no nutrition background trying to give people meal plans. As a dietitian, being on social media, you're able to stop those myths and like diet culture and all the misinformation going around. Being a dietitian on social media really does help with sharing nutrition tips for the general public. But I'm also able to access the people that don't even have access to healthcare or to see a dietitian. So being able to reach that group as well, I know that I'm making a huge difference.